it takes less than a minute for a thief to ruin your holiday shopping. I'm Sheriff Tom Spangler, and the men and women of the Knox County Sheriff's Office want to protect you year-round and keep you safe. Our organized retail crime task force is out in force right now, helping to provide a safe shopping experience. There are some things, however, that you can do to help keep you and your loved ones safe while shopping. One of the most important is to be aware of your surroundings. Stay alert and look around what's going on. Don't overburden yourself with packages. Be extra careful with purses and wallets. Keep them close to your body or in a front pocket. Breaking into cars is a crime of opportunity. Make sure you always lock your vehicle and keep packages and valuables in the trunk. Leaving valuables in plain sight is an invitation to thieves. Holiday season is always a special time of the year, and it's also a time when busy people become careless and vulnerable to theft and other holiday crime. We can never be too careful or too prepared. From all the employees of the Knox County Sheriff's Office, we want to wish you a happy, peaceful, and safe holiday season.